The FiveJoy garden tool set is an essential addition for both novice and seasoned gardeners. This 11-piece set includes everything you need to tackle various gardening tasks, from planting to pruning. The set features a large trowel, a small trowel, hand rake, cultivator, weeder, pruning shears, a 100-foot gardening rope, a handheld sprayer, digging claw gardening gloves, and pruning snips, all neatly organized in a durable Oxford cloth tote. One of the standout features of this kit is the rust-resistant construction. Each tool is made from indestructible cast aluminum, which is polished to ensure corrosion resistance. This makes the tools incredibly durable, sharp, and ready to handle tough gardening tasks. The ergonomic handles, crafted from high-quality TRP, fit comfortably in your hands and provide excellent leverage, reducing effort and strain. This design consideration is particularly beneficial for extended gardening sessions. The rugged tote bag is another highlight, designed from extra-sturdy 600D Oxford cloth. It resists tears, is easy to clean, and features deep pockets with elastic cords to keep all your tools organized and accessible. This thoughtful design ensures that you can carry your tools comfortably and keep them in top condition. Whether you're looking for a practical gift for a garden enthusiast or need a comprehensive set for your own garden, the FiveJoy garden tool set offers incredible value. It's perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, or any special occasion. And if you ever need support, their customer service is responsive and ready to assist. This tool set truly stands out as one of the best options for enhancing your gardening experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.